Yes, Mr. Fayemo.
Yes, my lord.
How are you? When did the witness depose to his statement on oath?
My lord, he deposed to his witness statement on the 15th day, on the 13th day of June 2022, sir. 13th day of June 2022, my lord. That witness statement, sir, is attached as the second witness statement to the claimant process called claimant reply to the statement of defense.
There is no witness statement on oath.
No, my lord.
One when he filed.
There was, my lord,
So
by the attorney, sir. The first witness statement that we had, sir, was by the attorney. But when we decided that he should give evidence, we then put in a written witness statement on oath of the claimant himself. My lord, we have that of his attorney because he was sued by attorney as not being resident in Nigeria anymore. And then his witness statement, the relevant witness statement, sir, is the one attached to the claimant reply to the statement of defense. My lord, that document is dated 4th July 2022 and was filed on the 6th of July 2022.
Is dated?
My lord, is dated 4th July, sir. That bundle of documents, sir, is dated 4th July.
I'm talking of the written statement.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. The witness statement is dated 13th June, sir. 13th June 2022.
Mr. Fayemi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my lord.
I don't know how tidy this is. You had filed a witness statement on oath,
yes,
by the attorney,
yes,
representing the claimant.
Yes, sir.
That is no longer in place. The witness statement on oath of Mrs. Odunivosi.
Yes, my lord.
Here. Okay, let's go on.
My lord, what we have simply done, my lord, is that in our response to the defense, we put in additional witness, which is the claimant himself. So, my lord, our case is now incorporated into his statement, his witness statement. My lord, it's just like we have two witnesses and we can decide to just stick with one, sir. That's what has emerged, sir.
Okay.
That's what has emerged, sir.
At this stage. Okay, let us start. Yes.
I'm grateful, sir. So, my lord, if the witness is sworn, then we're ready to go on, sir.
Yes.
Does it need to be sworn, sir? Oh, okay. Mr. De La Santa, I want you to state your full names to this honorable court and your address.
Okay, my full name is Gerardo Della Santa. I live in Italy. Town is Fano, Via Brunetti 6.
Yes.
What is your relationship with the defendant in this case?
Well, I was appointed as managing director, CEO of the company of Auto Nigerian Limited in June 2017. And I
Take it easy. My lord is writing. Please just take it easy.
and I terminate my contract by resignation.
No, you know that is not the procedure.
Well, my lord, I just wanted to identify the parties. That's all, my lord. I'm just going to adopt, my lord. I know, my lord. I know, my lord. I think I know, my lord. But if your lordship does not want us to go that route, that would be the only question I was going to ask before I adopt, before I take him to his witness statement, sir. But I just felt it's good to just to state this, the position of the parties. Be that as it may, sir. Now, can you remember swearing to a witness statement in this case?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, can we go ahead?
So you swore to a witness statement on oath before a notary public in this case on the 13th of June 2022. Do you so confirm?
Correct, sir. I confirm.
Okay. Okay. Will you want this court to take that witness statement as your evidence in this case?
Yes, I do.
My lord, we want the witness statement to be adopted, to be admitted formally as is evidence in this case. I don't know the practice here, my lord, with great respect. Do I need to tender a copy again, sir?
Yes, you
Okay.
may wish to tender.
My lord,
It will not be matters, but you may wish to tender a copy. We'll have a copy before the court.
I'm grateful, sir. I do have a copy for the court. In your evidence, as contained in that witness statement, you did mention series of documents, in total numbering 18 in this case. You remember you mentioned those documents, and we want you to identify that you did mention the 18 document that we're about to put to the court to be admitted as exhibit.
How many documents?
18, sir. 18 documents, sir. My lord, our read contained 13 listed documents. They are listed as scheduled documents to be used at the trial. And we very just listed it, my lord, and cataloged it in our process. There are 13 with the originating summons, with the originating research. And then 5 additional with the reply. So, sir, we seek to tender the 18 documents as listed in our processes, sir. In our originating.
How many documents do we have the registrar? How many documents? Huh? Council, there are supposed to be 18 documents, but the registrar has informed me. Yeah, you're standing, you can stand. Yeah, you just informed me that there are over 20 documents. Did you tender any extra documents apart from the ones listed?
No, my lord, maybe. I'm sorry, my lord. My duty is just telling my lord that the meeting will have in the last series of documents. The service documents. If I can retrieve just to split them all together, just one document.
And say you ought to have done that because I didn't expect we start doing this during the proceeding. Since you know that you're coming for trial, you ought to have put the documents together. But it's going to be difficult for us to get these documents, so we can.
It's about 3 of them. Just the last. My lord, I thought it had been done. I'm sorry, sir. I've been in court Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if I had my note to do that, I expected it to come. I apologize.
So how many?
I'm always very
Registrar. So how many documents do we have now?
The last, because I've arranged it in order that we listed them. So if you just give it back to me, I'll just flip it and back to you all. I'm hopefully sorry.
So how many do you have now? Okay, let us mark. We have to sit down. Okay. The documents listed by the claimants are admitted in evidence and are marked as exhibits GD1 to GD18, and they are marked as follows. Power of attorney dated 28th day of September 2021 is marked as GD1. Employment contracts dated 20th June 2017, GD2. Letter of appointment dated 21st of June 2017, GD3. Defendant's internal memo, extension of CEO's employment contracts dated 2nd April 2018, GD4. What date? 24th, okay, just mark GD4. Defendant's letter, renewal of employment contract dated 1st July 2019, GD5. Letter of resignation dated 17th October 2019, GD6. Letter of resignation dated 17th October 2019, GD6. Defendant letter titled Re-Resignation Letter dated 29th October 2019, GD7. Emails dated 24th September 2020 from the claimant to the defendant. Another one, 12th of November 2020 from the claimant solicitors to the defendant. And another letter, 2nd of August 21 from the claimant solicitors to the defendant and its solicitors. You have all the 3 emails? There are 3 emails, 3 emails. I think they are together, yes. So you mark them as GD, A, B, and C. GD8, A, B, and C. GD8, A, B, and C. There are 3 emails there. The letter of demand dated 12th November 2020 from Messrs. A.A. Simon Hart and Co. GD9. Letters dated 19th November 2020 and 2nd December 2020 from the defendant and defendant solicitors, Legal Resources Alliance, respectively, GD10. GD10. Yes. Letter dated 30th July 2021 from Messrs. A.A. Simon Hart and Co. GD11. Pre-action notice dated 2nd August 2021 issued by Messrs. A.A. Simon Hart and Co. GD12. Then solicitors engagement letter dated 14th October 2020 GD13. Now we still have more documents. Alcon Nigeria Limited internal memo dated 28 August 2017 GD14. Alcon Nigeria Limited internal memo dated 20th April 2018 GD15. Project Risk and Control Office Charter GD16. The recruitment service agreement dated the 12th of March 2018, GD17, and service orders and invoices issued by Active Resource Company to the defendant, GD18. Yes.
Mr. De La Santa, what do you want this honorable court to do for us? What is your prayer before this honorable court? What do you want this court to do for you?
Can he hear you? Is he with us?
No, I can hear you, my lord. I hear only you. I don't hear my lawyer.
But can you hear me now?
I do hear you, sir.
So he's not hearing me, sir.
Oh, he's not hearing
me, but you can hear your lordship. Can you hear me now?
Well, from very far.
Oh, I see.
Do you have the microphone on?
Yes, I do.
Before I was hearing you perfectly. I hear perfectly the Honorable Justice.
Hello. Okay, can you hear me now?
I do. I can
hear
you.
Oh, good, good. So the question is, what do you want? What do you want my lord to do for you? What do you want the honorable court to do for you?
Well, I would like for the court to look into this matter, into this case, and provide the payment of my entitlement.
To pay your entitlement?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. My lord, that will be the evidence in chief, sir. Yes, my lord. So I'll be asking my lord that in this virtual hearing that your lordship has taken time to slate for today, as far back as my lord, as far back as July last year, sir. So I'll be asking that the cross-examination be foreclosed, but your lordship may want, in the circumstance, my lord, to adjourn the defense so that they are giving another bite. Clearly, the virtual hearing was for today, sir. There's no doubt about that. So we can ask justly, sir, that the cross-examination be foreclosed and the defendant should present their defense, sir. So they had the opportunity to join us in person or virtually. They have not done any of this. It's a disrespect to this honorable court. So, my lord, I ask that the cross-examination be closed and only be adjourned for defense. And the witness, my Lord, be discharged. I'll be asking for that prayer. I'll be making that prayer, sir.
So can we take a date for continuation? Registrar, can we get a date? No, I don't know whether it's going to affect the perpetual. Just give date for continuation of trial, not for just for different. Yes, council, 12th of July for continuation of trial.
No, I like this, sir.
That's the date that's available. We're in July already. Yeah. We are giving July dates for trial.
Okay, so for the defense, sir. So that
For
I
trial.
know, oh, yeah, so that I know what to prepare for, sir.
But I don't know why the other counsel is not in court. It was in court when today's date was taken.
Yes, my Lord. It's not for your lordship to speculate.
Yeah,
It's not for your lordship to speculate. Hello, we both agreed on this
12th
date.
of July. What date? 12th?
12th of July, sir.
Yes.
My Lord, I can't impose on your lordship a diary, even though I consider that date very long. But my Lord, I just want to be sure exactly that I might still come with my witness on that day. I will still have the virtual hearing on that day, sir.
Yes. I'm adjourning for 12th of July. Just take the date first so you hear what the court is going to read. 12th of July.
Yes, sir. I'm just at a loss, sir.
Yes, for the defense to open is different.
I'm grateful, sir. I'm grateful, sir. I just want to be very clear. So that the claimant himself, sir, and witness is also clear. I'm grateful, sir. As a copy. My Lord, we are grateful to your Lordship. And my Lord, we thank your Lordship for accommodating us on a day such as this.